Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ouija board in Phasmophobia correctly, okay? Because some people just ask one or two questions and we can do so many things with this device. But on this video, I'm going to show you how to use it properly, okay? So I'm on Tanglewood, so the basic map, let's get enter. So let's go inside. The Ouija board is always downstairs, okay? The Ouija board you can find always on that position, okay? So let me just turn on the lights a little bit. Well, basically you start the game with 100% sanity. That is the main thing, okay? But okay, this is the Ouija board, okay? You can grab with G, you can pick with E and put whatever you want, okay? Place it whatever you want. I just prefer to place on the ground. It's easy to see, to read, okay? So what things you can ask on this Ouija board? Of course, the majority of people who play this game just ask, where are you? Where's the bone? Things like that. Okay, so these two main questions will take you 50% sanity. That's it, 50%. That means if you are, let's say, 80% sanity, and you use it, you do this question, your sanity goes to like 30%. So it's very risky to use this. If you want, you can just ask and go to grab some med pills, okay? Some pills, some medicine pills, okay? So another thing very important is that every answer on this Ouija board you will get EMF 2 in each and every answer, okay? But there is a chance, a small chance, that you get EMF 5 on the answer, okay? So every time if you are playing with evidence in this game, of course, every time you use the Ouija board, place the EMF right beside, and you ask. Once you ask, you have your answer, respond, and the EMF will be 2 or 5, okay? So these main questions, where are you and where is the bone, will drown you 50% sanity, okay? But you can ask for sanity. Let's say, what's my sanity? How you died? Where you died? So many other questions that doesn't matter for the game itself, for the run itself, okay? So, and another very important question that people does is how old are you? Okay, you can ask how old the ghost is, but especially for the Thay, this ghost right here, the Thay ghost, okay? This is the only ghost in the entire 24 ghosts that can age, okay, get older, okay? So when you start the run and you ask for how old are you, and it will be like, I don't know, like 60 years. It's go to the 6 and 0, okay? So, and you ask some minutes later, some I don't know, 15 minutes later, it's going to be higher, it's going to be older. So if the ghost gets older, you can 100% be sure that is a Thay, okay? So these are the three main questions you can do with the Ouija board. Where are you? Where's the bone? And how old are you? Okay, so, and this last question, how old are you, will draw you 20% sanity, okay? The first two will drown you 50%, but this last one 20%, okay? So my sanity right now is 100%, I think, because I just started. I'm on the lights. So we're going to ask where are you? We are going to back to the truck and see the average sanity, and you see that the average sanity is just 50, okay? So let's do it. Where are you? EMF 2, okay? So D-I-N, goodbye. Always say goodbye when you ask anything here, okay? Always, because if you don't say goodbye, it's going to explode and the ghost starts to hunt, okay? So we didn't get EMF 5, just 2, okay? So let's go back to the truck and you see that the average sanity is 50, okay? Right, 45, 50, 48, something around it, okay? So I'm gonna take some pills here to go back to 100%, okay? For the next question, okay? So 50, we're going back to 100%. Let's go back downstairs. Oh, the ghost just throws something. Okay. I'm going to ask for how old are you? Okay. And again, each and every question you turn on EMF, and you can have some EMF 5 here and then. Okay. So again, how old are you? 50. Goodbye. So again, 2. This question drowns 20% sanity. Okay, let's go back to the truck. And the ghost just say to us that he has, or she has, 50 years old. And in a few minutes, if I go back there and ask the same question, if the ghost says like 51, 52, 52, 53, 60, 70, 100, doesn't matter, you can be sure it's a Thay. Okay, it's a Thay, because it's the only ghost that can get older. Okay, so let's check first our sanity. Okay, something around 80, 90. That's good. That's good. So, oh, we do some objects. Okay, so what is the bad use of this device? The bad use is that you don't pay attention to your sanity. Okay, so like I said, each question will draw you 50% sanity. Let's suppose that you are 40% sanity, and you just ask for where are you, where's the bone. This will break, and once this breaks, the ghost will start to hunt. And it's not just a simple hunt, it's a curse hunt, so it's so much longer than the regular one. Be very careful when you use this, and each and every cursed objects around, but a Ouija board, you just have to have some sanity. Okay, so, and if you are, let's suppose that the ghost is not hunting, it's getting much time, and it's boring, the ghost never hunts, it's very quiet ghost, and you want that the ghost hunts. So what do? You provoke. You can provoke this hunt. How you do this? You break this. And how you break? You just ask for hide and seek. It's not a question, you just say hide and seek. When you say hide and seek, it will start counting down. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, explode. The ghost will start hunting, and you hide. Okay, I'm going to do this right now, but the ghost won't hunt because I set up to be a friendly ghost. Okay, so but on a real run, it's going to blow and it's going to hunt. Okay, so let's do this. Hide and seek. Again, 2. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. This is the break. Okay, you just broke the Ouija board. Like I said, it's a friendly ghost, so it's not hunting. But on a real run, it will be hunt right now. You will be in trouble. Okay, so that's the way you can provoke a hunt. And this is what happens when you ask for something you don't have the sanity to pay, like that example that I did with the if you ask for where are you, where's the bone, and you don't have the sanity for it. This is what happens. Okay, so be very careful when you use this. Okay, so again, you can take 2 pictures of this Ouija board. You can take the single picture of the board itself, and when this thing here it's moving, you can take a picture while it's moving, because it's an interaction picture. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video. I think I said everything about how to use this device. So again, on small maps like this Tanglewood, I would not use this. Okay, this is just for one picture and that's it, because it's so small that you can find the ghost quickly. Okay, but on the big maps like Sunny Meadows, Prison, and Skull, it's very, very useful. Okay, so, and always, of course, turn on the EMF pattern reader be just beside the Ouija board, so you can have EMF 5 quickly. We didn't get this this time, because I don't think the ghost is an EMF 5 ghost, but you can with some luck, you can grab this EMF 5 while it's moving. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned about this really good object that is Ouija board. We see each other on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.